In this video, you're going to learn about 5 resources that you can use for your YouTube videos. The best part about it is they're all free. Let's jump in. Hello, my friend. My name is Terry Petrovic. In this video, what we're going to explore are 5 amazing free resources that are going to help you create better YouTube content or any type of videos. Now, I don't know where you are in your video journey. Maybe you're just starting out. Maybe you've been in it for a while, and maybe you're just looking to add a little sparkle, if you will, to some of your videos that you're doing. The topics that we're going to be talking about here are stock photography. We're going to talk about icons. We're going to talk about stock video. We're going to talk about sound effects, and we're going to talk about music. And again, all of these are free. And oh, by the way, if you have any suggestions or if you have any resources that I don't miss, if I haven't mentioned, please leave those below so other people can benefit from those as well. Let's jump in. Okay, the first website I want to share with you is called Unsplash. This is where you'll get access to literally thousands upon thousands of professional photographs. Now, I want to warn you that a lot of the images on this website are not free, but so many of them are. So at the top here, you can kind of pick the topic that you want to focus on. We can focus on back to school. You can click on an image. And you can see this is green. Green means it's free. Free is good. That's kind of what we're looking for. This one is not free. That's black. So you want to be looking for the green button images. Let's look at architecture. And again, just some really, really gorgeous photos here. Animals, another one. Again, depending on what your topic is, just so many cool things to pick from here. This is a great picture of a tortoise. And again, you'll see that is free. So have fun with this website, Unsplash. Tons of great, photos to add a little enhancement and engagement to your video content that you create for YouTube. Okay, the second category is icons. Sometimes you don't really want a photo. You just want something to pop on the screen. And this website is FlatIcon. They literally have millions here for you to choose from. Any topic that you want to talk about, they're there. And the beautiful thing about this is that they're pretty much all free, and all they really want you to do is to give them credit with an attribution in the description of your YouTube video. So go here, play here, find some really cool icons that you can use to add to your video content to enhance your engagement. Okay, let's jump into the third free resource category, and that is free video content. My favorite website here is called Pexels. One of the things that you'll notice here is not only can you get videos, but you can actually get photos as well. Unsplash, we already talked about that one. But so many topics that you can go and choose from here. Again, depending on what your video is. If you wanted to talk about running, you can get all of these really, really cool video clips. If you were talking about, let's say, cooking, you just pick the topic and you can actually create a ton of new B-roll content without having to waste any of your time, because it's already there and it's already professional. So have fun with this, enjoy this, share some of these videos with me. I think you're going to love Pexels. And again, don't forget that not only do they have video content, but they also have the photos as well. And all you got to do is select photos right here. So enjoy that one. Okay, next up are the sound effects category. Now, the website that I really love for this is called freezefx.co. And again, I'll put the link in the description below. This website does look a little 1990s or old school, if you will. But when I say they've got a ton of content here for you, it really is amazing. Pretty much any category, any topic, you can find content here that is absolutely amazing. Maybe you want to add some applause in the back of your soundtrack or your video. Again, so many to choose from here, and the quality here is shockingly good. Again, tens of thousands of different sound effects that you can select from here. Have fun with this. Add a little sizzle, if you will, to your videos. Okay, let's wrap this up and put a nice pretty bow in the icing on top for your videos on YouTube, and that is free music. The site I like best for this is called ncs.io. You'll find so much content here that you can choose from, and again, it's pretty much all free. Any mood you want, any genre you want, it is all here, instrumental or regular music. I'll play you a couple of clips here.
I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading.
It's pretty amazing, doesn't it? All they're really going to ask for is that you give them credit in your YouTube video. And again, you can use all of this copyright free, which is amazing. If you have questions about that, just click on the usage policy over here, and you'll see right here. All you got to do is you give the artist credit. So with that, enjoy this resource. I think it's a pretty amazing one. I wanted to wrap this up by giving you a bonus, and that is more icing on the cake. Music is the thing that really engages people so much. So here's another channel on YouTube. Again, 100% copyright free. Amazing quality that I think you'll really love. 4.9 million subscribers on this channel, so explore it, have fun with it, download the music that you want. We've covered 5 different free tools and resources that will help you create more engagement with your videos. Again, if you have any other suggestions, if you have any questions, please leave those comments below. If you got value out of this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm always here to help you kind of grow your business and help you grow your audience with video on YouTube. My name is Terry Petrovic. Remember this, make it a better than terrific day. Bye-bye for now.